this tiny little bucket bag. For this I would make an exception. I mean, I love it. It's very iconic and I mean, it goes well with my outfit today. Look at the shine of the python leather. Because I had to try on this jacket. Really amazing stuff. What about this? If you ever need anything from Chloe and Selfridges, go to her. Last little bit of autumn. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I have no idea what we're actually gonna do. I have no plan. I just want to float around Bond Street, Selfridges, see what's new. Like I said last time, get inspired again and yeah, see if we find anything interesting. By the way guys, of course my birthday haul is still coming up. However, to have the complete haul, there still needs to be some logistics work done. Oh, look how cute! So that's coming up next video. And guys, the Christmas decorations are already coming up. I mean, it looks already very festive now. Should we head into LV, Dior or Chanel first? Okay, what do we think about the current displays? I guess that's it for Christmas. It's nice. It's a lot more understated than last year. Nice little soft trunk. I would say let's head into LV first. Oh guys, what do we think about a teeny tiny little Neverfull with some shearling? Oh my god guys, look at this tiny little bucket bag with the Vivian plush. Oh my god, that is so cute. Oh wow, I love it. How adorable is this? I've said I'm over Louis Vuitton canvas, but I mean, how cute is this? For this I would make an exception. This is so cute. Probably comes with a longer shoulder strap as well. What do we think about this? I mean, honestly, I've just been standing here for 10 minutes looking at it in the mirror. I do like it, personally. I do like it. What's wrong with me? I just like plushies, I guess. Wow, look at these gorgeous special capucines. And more. Lizard, ostrich, karung. Beautiful. Oh, and the back charms are adorable. I've seen this online as well. They have a bunny too, but look how cute this squirrel is. Ooh, the dress is very 20s, right? And look at this twist with all the crystals. The cat print. What did we think about this? Do we like this mirror collection? I know it comes in like a rose gold in the Alma as well. That one's stunning. Lots of shearling bags, guys. That's cute, right? Okay guys, that was LV. I love that Vivian bucket bag. So cute. Let's head into Chanel next. Okay. What's new in the window displays? To be honest, we've probably seen most in Harrods in my last vlog, most of these pieces. We've seen this necklace, we've seen the bag. I don't know if it's worth it going in. Oh, and not only am I a fan of this knit, well, these knit outfits, look at this. We actually get to see the little pearl menu there. That's quite interesting. Let's go. Oh wow, guys. I'm just walking past Chanel. Look at this bag. So simple, yet so beautiful. Look at this. This is a size smaller. I don't know if it's leather or satin. And look at this tiny sequins. Chanel 31. Quick stop at Chanel, guys. Let's see if they have that flap. They don't have the big flap, but this is cute. Super slouchy, super casual. You can wear it as a single strap bag as well, but I think I prefer it like this, double strapped. They have the big bows, plus you can clutch it as well, of course. Et voila, the big bow.
Madam, 1 second, okay?
Yeah. They only come in denim. I thought they come in leather as well, to be honest. I thought they have a leather version as well, but he says it only comes in blue and black denim. I mean, I love it. It's very iconic. Look guys, this is the blue denim for anybody who's interested. Oh guys, look at these totes. That's a nice beige. These sparkle bags are just stunning as well. Look at this. Roberto Cavalli guys. It's usually not on my radar, but look at this bag. Of course I had to show you this one. And Chloe guys, this coat. I absolutely adore this coat. I talked about it in my last vlog as well. It's so stunning. Okay, here is the coat. I don't know what it is. I've seen it on the runway on the model and I absolutely loved it. Should we give it a try? I think we should give it a try now. I love Chloe's fashion. I love everything they're doing at the moment, even like jewelry.
And it's not coming any smaller
I know.
than this.
Okay, I love it. Guys, look at this. This is the coat. This is the coat. I can't believe they actually have it and we can try it on. This is the smallest size, size X. And it's so nice and warm. I think it's around 6K for anybody who's wondering. I don't know, this combination of the padded pink, dusty pink with this fur trim. What's the fur trim? Is it shearling or?
Yeah, shearling. Yeah. Yes, absolutely.
Okay. Oh, guys, look at this. Guys, I have to get my hair out to see how it looks like. I really think it's gorgeous. Wow. Do you like it on me?
I love it. You know, to be honest with you, it's when we saw it.
Yeah.
Obviously, it's not everyone who can pull up. You have to be a certain height. You have to be slim, slender. Basically, like on the runway.
Thank
you. Know me, I can't pull this. I'm too short.
What's your name?
I'm Numa.
Numa, okay,
And
guys,
you?
Romina.
Romina?
Yeah. If you ever need anything from Chloe and Safer, just go to her.
Hello. Sorry.
Oh wow. Okay, guys, I had to show you in this lighting as well. Oh my god, I love it. This could be it. And it has pockets. It has pockets. Oh my god, this is better than the Nour Hammour one, no? What do we think? Us guys, let's head into Celine, because they always have really, really gorgeous bags. And here we are. Let's head in. Yeah, I mean, this is cute as well. Could I try this one on? Guys, the green... no, I just had a drink. So the green one that I came for, they don't have it. They had it yesterday and it sold within an hour. No surprise, because I think the green one is super, super special, but I really like this one too. I mean, this would go with any neutral outfit, right? And I mean, goes well with my outfit today. Goes well with Ugg boots too. Let me know. So one of my friends is actually looking for this bag. I think I prefer the Nino or the Triumph. This is a bit more understated, of course, but still cute. And guys, in Harrods we were looking for that Triumph, but they only have one in Paris. What do we think about these? That's my Tilly. This is cute to know. Guys, look at this gorgeous bag. Look at the shine of the python leather. Wow, this is mesmerizing, right? Imagine this in the Triumph. This comes with a longer strap as well. But wow, this with the Nour Hammour coat that we tried on the other day. I like that it's so understated. Okay guys, did you like any of the bags? I would say let's float towards Selfridges now. Quick stop at Zara because I had to try on this jacket. Is this cool or not? Maybe in size M. I think I like this size better. Do we think this is cool Usually I have only long coats, but I don't know, this jacket has something, right? Or they have amazing jackets at the moment, guys. Really amazing stuff. What about this? I think they're all pretty cool. Which one do we like more? Oh well, I did buy both. And guys, we are here, Selfridges, and look at that. Very festive as well. Okay guys, are you interested in the Christmas windows? Look at that. Mirror, mirror on the wall. I love it. And then here, super cute. Look at this. So nice. Guys, look at this. So I'm just walking past Dior. This is a nice velvety fabric tote. Anything at Dior, guys? They don't have a lot of new pieces. Quick look at the resale Selfridges bags. Look at that stunning bronze Gucci, mirror Dior. Lots of gold Chanels, even a Mademoiselle bag, super cute. And a vintage caramel flap. Oh wow, and look at this Dior bag. That's actually nice, very understated. Is this not a stunning reissue? Perfect for autumn and winter, beautiful suede. This looks like new. This is the price. Look at this, guys. Gucci is extremely understated as well with these pieces. Nice. And guys, look at these bling bling mamons. Super cool. But other than that, I think it's not a lot of new stuff. But look at that. The first Christmas tree I'm seeing this year. Cute. Of course, I miss Alessandro Michele Gucci, but look at this Valentino bag with a little cat back charm. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, guys, I just had to have a look at this. This is so cute. Of course, the back charm comes separate. But this combination of the bag with the little cat faces and then the little back charm, I've forgotten the name of it. But it's so cute. It comes in like a Miu Miu size as well. And if you want to be hands-free, you can just wear it with a shoulder strap. You could probably attach any strap to it, let's be honest. But isn't it cute? But it's not only this bag. Look at these as well. They're like artworks. No? Look how gorgeous this one is. Guys, and we have to end the day with having a look at what they have at the pop mart machines right now. So you can get Labubus now, look at that. They're readily available. And let's have a look over here. I think they even have the Sky Pandas from the new You Found Me series. I would love to get a shiny Ratto. Guys, did I make a mistake with the Nour Hammour code? Do we love the Chloe code? I just sent it to Denise and Denise was like, oh my god, that's the code, that's the code. She loves it too. I was like, yeah, sure, let's twin, why not? Oh my god, tell me, did you prefer the Nour Hammour code or the Chloe code? I am super confused. Really help me if you can. I'm gonna enjoy my bubble tea now and go home. Oh, guys, look at that. That's cute. So if you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join our little handbag obsessed family here, because we all do have the same luxury disease. Yes, we do, and there are so many people. Okay, so it's already getting dark. I'm gonna go home now. And then I'll say goodbye from beautiful London and share your opinion and your thoughts with me, please. Okay, love you guys. Look at this. Just some late afternoon London impressions. Yeah. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. It's just so beautiful in this part of town. Bye!